static on the monitor. A beacon blinking somewhere offshore. Base beneath the transmission. Eden checks the weather console at 02:17. A reel keeps turning beside the wall. Coordinates arrive without a vessel name. Only numbers drifting through the dark. Salt gathers slowly on the observation glass. Signal lamps pulse across the waterline. A voice repeats the same position twice, then disappears inside the noise. Blue light, slow waves, something still moving beyond the ridge. Invisible frequencies crossing the night. Heavy bass under a pale blue light. Nobody knows where the signal goes. Still, the transmission flows. Into cloud cover, logbook stacked beside the recorder deck. A lighthouse answers with a distant pulse, then silence settles on the channel. Eden marks another entry on the chart, listening close between the bursts. Somewhere beyond the black horizon, a voice keeps searching to be heard. No headlines, no alarm, only waves beneath the radar calm. One more call, one more tone, crossing distances alone. Invisible frequencies crossing the night. Heavy bass under a pale blue light. Nobody knows where the signal goes. Still, the transmission flows. Base beneath the transmission. A weather vane turning slowly. Data stream scrolling across the screen. Base beneath the forecast. Mirror checks the upper air readings at 03:11. Cloud maps glowing across the wall. A weather balloon climbs into darkness, carrying numbers nobody will see. Salt stains gather on the observation glass. An thermometer spin against the wind. A coded message slips between reports, then vanishes beyond reception. Cold sky, glow. Something still moving beyond the charts. Silent forecast crossing the night. Heavy bass on the satellite light. Nobody knows where the current's been. Still the signal sends. Far away, hold the line. Cold horizon, all night. Pressure systems drift across the coastline. Logbooks open on the steel desk. A distant beacon flashes through the fog bank, then disappears beyond the clouds. Mirror marks another timestamp carefully, listening close between the tones. Somewhere beyond the sleeping water, a voice keeps searching for a home. No headlines, no alarm, only patterns moving through the calm. One more code, one more sign, crossing distances in time. Silent forecast crossing the night. Heavy bass under satellite light. Nobody knows where the current's been. Still the signal sends. Data stream scrolling across the screen. However vain, turning slowly. Base beneath the forecast. Tape reel spinning slowly. A beacon sweeping across the water. Bass beneath the recordings. Ever opens boxes marked 1974. Dust lifting into the light. Magnetic reels stacked along metal shelves. Voices waiting inside the oxide. A captain describes a distant shoreline. A deckhand laughs beyond the mic. Wind rushes through an open channel, then disappears into static. Old words, slow waves, something still moving inside the tape. Lost transmissions crossing the years. Heavy bass underneath forgotten spheres. Nobody knows where the voices went. Still the signal bends. Hold the line. From another decade, a vessel drifting beyond the charts. Coordinates written on fading paper, names half erased by time. Maybe threads another reel carefully, listening close between the tones. Somewhere inside the layered noise, a story keeps breathing on its own. No headlines, no fame, only voices without a name. One more reel, one more trace, floating somewhere beyond this place. across the water. Tape reel spinning slowly, bass beneath the recordings. Antenna motors turning slowly, a distant pulse beyond the horizon. Bass beneath the spectrum. Scans the monitors at 03:43. Star maps glowing across the room. A moving light crosses the eastern sky. Outside every known route, data streams scroll through silent columns. Signal markers flash and fade. She knows the time beside the coordinates, then watches the pattern change. Cold sky, blue glow, something still moving beyond the norm. Midnight vectors crossing the night, heavy bass under satellite light. Nobody knows where the pathway ends, still the pattern bends. Hold the line, far away, still moving all night. Archive screens reveal older sightings, dates repeating through the years. A recorded voice describes the same direction, then disappears into the noise. Lena traces another line across the chart, listening close between the tones. Somewhere beyond the measured distance, a message keeps traveling alone. No warning, no fear, only signals drawing near. One more mark, one more sign, moving slowly through space and time. Midnight vectors crossing the night, heavy bass under satellite light. Nobody knows where the pathway ends, still the pattern bends. A distant pulse beyond the horizon. Antenna motors turning slowly, bass beneath the spectrum. Appearing on the screen, marker drifting across the chart. Bass beneath the current. Nora checks the route logs at 0412. Blue displays glowing through the room. The same position appears again, far beyond established lanes. A sequence repeats across 3 reports. Different years, identical marks. Someone recorded the pattern before, then left no explanation. Cold light, slow tides. Something keeps returning with the night. Crossing the sea, heavy bass moving endlessly. Nobody knows where the pathway starts. Still, the marker sparks. Hold the line, far away, still drifting all night. Notebooks reveal old sketches, hand-drawn symbols beside the dates. A coastal observer traced the same movement 40 years before tonight. Nora follows another sequence carefully, listening close between the tones. Somewhere beyond the mapped horizon, a route keeps drawing its own road. No warning, no name, only patterns without a frame. One more trace, one more sign, traveling slowly through space and time. Drifting, coordinates crossing the sea, heavy bass moving endlessly. Nobody knows where the pathway starts. Still, the marker sparks. Coordinates appearing on the screen. Bass beneath the current. The sonar pulse traveling downward, dark water beneath the hull, bass beneath the echo. Reviews acoustic files at 0437. Blue monitors lighting up the cabin. A repeating tone emerges from the archive, recorded deeper than expected. The waveform bends across the display, unlike anything logged before. A sequence returns every 7 minutes. burst, then vanishes below detection. Deep water, slow motion, something still moving through the ocean. Hidden echoes crossing below, heavy bass where the currents flow. Nobody knows what the signal means, still the pattern repeats. Far below, hold the line, still calling all night. Recovered drives reveal older recordings, captured decades before tonight. Different vessels heard the same vibration across enormous distances. Iris overlays every observation, listening close between the tones. Somewhere beneath the map sea floor, a story keeps speaking on its own. No headline, no name, only frequencies without a frame. One more trace, one more sign, traveling slowly through space and time. Hidden echoes crossing below, heavy bass where the currents flow. Nobody knows what the signal means, still the pattern repeats. Dark water beneath the hull, dark water beneath the hull. Dark water beneath the hull, bass beneath the echo. Oscilloscopes glowing softly, a distant carrier wave bending through the dark. Bass beneath the atmosphere. Checks the spectrum logs at 01:53. Blue traces dancing across the screen. A voice appears between two frequencies, then dissolves before completion. The signal returns from another direction, crossing oceans without a route. Words arrive in broken fragments, like memories carried by the sky. Cold air, blue light, something still traveling through the night. Skywave shadows crossing the air, heavy bass moving everywhere. Nobody knows where the voices begin, still they travel in. Far away, hold the line, still drifting all night. Recordings reveal older patterns captured decades before tonight. Different operators heard the same phrases across impossible distances. Lara marks another anomaly, listening close between the tones. Somewhere beyond the measured horizon, a story keeps speaking on its own. No warning, no name, only signals without a frame. One more trace, one more sign, traveling slowly through space and time. Skywave shadows crossing the air, heavy bass moving everywhere. Nobody knows where the voices begin, still they traveling. A distant carrier wave, bending through the dark. Oscilloscopes glowing softly, bass beneath the atmosphere. Archive drawers opening slowly, a beacon sweeping across the coastline. Bass beneath the recordings. Sora unlocks cabinet 43 at 0226. Dust rising through the light. Boxes filled with acetate recordings, labeled only by dates and times. One voice reports unusual conditions, another speaks in measured tones. A final message cuts off mid-sentence, leaving questions in the static. Old words, blue glow, something still living inside the noise. Forgotten call signs crossing the years, heavy bass beneath vanished frontiers. Nobody knows where the stories end, still the signals bend. Hold the line, far away, still calling all night. Logbooks mention missing references, numbers written beside the names. Several recordings share the same phrase across entirely different decades. So repeats another archive carefully, listening close between the tones. Somewhere beyond the fading labels, a story keeps speaking on its own. No headline, no fame, only voices without a frame. One more reel, one more trace, floating somewhere beyond this place. Forgotten call signs crossing the years, heavy bass beneath vanished frontiers. Nobody knows where the stories end, still the signals bend. Digital clocks ticking in sync, a pulse repeating through the network, bass beneath the timeline. Talia checks the overnight relay logs. Rows of timestamps fill the screen. One sequence appears across 3 systems, hours apart but perfectly aligned. No operator signed the transmission, no vessel entered the channel. Still the record keeps returning like a shadow inside the data. Cold light still frames, something moving between the chains. Repeating timestamps crossing the night, heavy bass on the satellite light. Nobody knows where the pattern begins, still it pulls us in. Hold the line, far away, still returning. Same sequence buried deep inside old drives. Different decades matching entries recorded long before tonight. Talia overlays every data set, listening close between the tones. Somewhere beyond the visible system, a signal keeps writing its own code. No warning, no name, only patterns without a frame. One more trace, one more sign, waiting quietly through time. Repeating timestamps crossing the night, heavy bass under satellite light. Nobody knows where the pattern begins, still it pulls us in. Hold the line, a pulse repeating through the network. Digital clocks ticking in sync, beneath the timeline. A distant vibration beneath the surface, bass beneath the readings. Checks the overnight reports at 03:28. Waveforms drifting across the screen. One pattern rises from the background noise, then settles back into the field. No storms pass through the region, no machinery nearby. Still the measurements keep returning at nearly the same time each night. Cold ground, blue light, something moving out of sight. Silent tremors crossing below, heavy bass where the currents flow. Nobody knows what the numbers mean, still they reappear in dreams. Hold the line, tracks reveal old entries written decades before today. Different observers mark the same behavior, using different words to explain. Aria overlays every observation, listening close between the tones. Somewhere beneath the ordinary surface, a rhythm keeps speaking on its own. No warning, no sign, only patterns crossing time. One more trace, one more clue, waiting in the quiet view. Silent tremors crossing below, heavy bass where the currents flow. Nobody knows what the numbers mean, still they reappear in dreams. A distant vibration beneath the surface, monitoring lines moving slowly. Bass beneath the readings. Paper maps unfolding slowly, a route appearing across the table. Bass beneath the markings. Studies maritime charts at 0241, incline stretching toward the edge. One pathway appears across several editions, though nobody drew it officially. The coordinates shift between revisions, yet follow nearly the same course. A hidden trail crossing generations, without explanation or source. Old maps, blue light, something still traveling through the night. Phantom routes crossing the sea, heavy bass moving endlessly. Nobody knows where the pathway leads, still it appears to me. Shelves reveal forgotten journals, sketches folded between the pages. Different navigators trace the same direction across entirely different ages. Myla follows every faded marker, listening close between the tones. Somewhere beyond the recorded journeys, a road keeps drawing its own road. No warning, no name, only patterns without a frame. One more trace, one more sign, waiting quietly through time. Phantom routes crossing the sea, heavy bass moving endlessly. Nobody knows where the pathway leads, still it appears to me. signals ticking softly. A pulse arriving 1 second late. Base beneath the timeline. Checks the reference clocks at 01:18. Blue digits glowing through the room. One station reports a missing second, gone without a trace. Every instrument shows a small divergence, nothing large enough for alarm. Variation, each returning across distant locations. Cold light, still frames, something moving between the chains. Missing seconds crossing the night. Heavy bass under measured light. Nobody knows where the moment went. Still the time. Reports reveal older anomalies hidden deep inside the logs. Different observers mark the same event across entirely different years. Nova compares every observation, listening close between the tones, somewhere beyond the calibrated system. A rhythm keeps riding its own code. No warning, no sign, only patterns crossing time. One more trace, one more clue, waiting in the quiet blue. Missing seconds crossing the night. Heavy bass under measured light. Nobody knows where the moment went. Still the timeline bends. A pulse arriving 1 second late. Clock signals ticking softly. Base beneath the time. Green ribbons moving across the sky. A scanner tracing invisible light. Base beneath the spectrum. Checks the imaging feeds at 02:52. Color bands shifting on the screen. One pattern returns beyond prediction, outside every known model. The spectral curve bends unexpectedly, then settles into place, a sequence hidden inside the movement repeats across the archive. Cool sky, soft glow, something still moving where the currents flow. Northern signals crossing the night, heavy bass under emerald light. Nobody knows where the patterns begin, still they traveling far away. Hold the line, still moving all night. Archive captures reveal older traces stored inside forgotten drives. Different observers log the same formation across entirely different times. Lyra studies every variation, listening close between the tones. Somewhere beyond the measured spectrum, a message keeps speaking on its own. No warning, no name, only patterns without a frame. One more trace, one more sign, traveling slowly through time. Northern signals crossing the night, heavy bass under emerald light. Nobody knows where the patterns begin, still they traveling. The scanner tracing invisible light, green ribbons moving across the sky. Base beneath the spectrum. Receivers turning toward the horizon. A narrow signal emerging from the noise. Bass beneath the silence. Checks the overnight captures at 037. Blue indicators glow across the room when transmission rises above the background, too structured to ignore. The waveform appears for 40 seconds, then slips beyond detection. No registered source matches the direction. No explanation follows. Cold air, soft light, something still calling through the night. Distant carriers crossing the dark, heavy bass beneath every spark. Nobody knows where the message begins, still it pulls us in far away. Hold the line, still calling all night. Archive captures reveal older fragments stored across forgotten drives. Different teams recorded the same sequence, in the dark, heavy bass beneath every spark. Nobody knows where the message begins, still it pulls us in. Narrow signal emerging from the noise. Receivers turning toward the horizon. Bass beneath the silence. Archive lights fading. Morning gathering beyond the glass. Bass beneath the silence. Closes the final catalog at 05:42. Blue indicators dim one by one. Thousands of recordings rest behind her, stacked across forgotten years. Every anomaly has a folder, every fragment has a file. Still some questions remain unanswered, waiting beyond the shelves. First light still glow, something still moving beyond the known. Last transmissions crossing the dawn, heavy bass carrying them on. Nobody knows where the stories end, still the signals bend. The storage cabinets, margins crowded with observations. Voices coordinate spectral traces collected through the passing years. Eden plays the earliest recording, listening close between the tones. The same unanswered phrase returns exactly where it began. No ending, no goodbye, only signals passing by. One more trace, one more sign floating gently. Last transmissions crossing the dawn, heavy bass carrying them on. Nobody knows where the stories end, still the signals bend. Beneath the silence.